You see it?
Hi. Oh my God.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
I can. This is my swag. The way I'm just like doing it. I'm just.
Oh my God, Abhish. Abhish, I just want to say, what stream are we on? Because we should all be on Uddhav Thackeray's stream. Because he just said, Toke. Toke hai na? Toke hai na now. So I just enjoyed that completely before joining on here. But anyway.
Oh, you were come to this fun stream in that case, I guess. Come to the fun
I'm
stream.
here now.
I'm gonna let the OG take you guys on to a very fun Bollywood quiz. I will try guessing as well. So all the best to me.
Thank you so much. Abhish Matthew, everybody absolutely love him. What a fantastic human being. My name is Rohini Ramanathan and I'm on radio usually. So maybe you haven't seen my face yet. So hi guys, thank you so much for joining. We're here for something called the Big Bollywood Quiz. And we're really, really excited about this because today we have a great guest lineup. We've got some great panelists. And I'm just going to check where my wonderful PowerPoint is. Hey guys, is it showing or what? Fantastic.
I'll just show.
Hey, thanks. Yeah. This is a collaboration between us and India Wants to Know. And this is India Wants to Know. This is Sai. Hi, Sai. Welcome.
Hey, everyone.
Wow, we look so pretty. Okay, so you know who the panelists are. So let's move ahead. Welcome to today's quiz. And this is a quick shout out for one of our panelists to join, and I hope he does soon. Move forward. How to play today's quiz? It's pretty simple. I'm the quiz master. We've got three great panelists who are probably here for Prajakta, Jose, and Shreya. So they're going to come on. We're going to ask them a question, and then they have to give us wrong answers only. All right. So that is a format. We will explain it once we start the first question. And you guys as an audience, of course, you have the choice. You can give us a wrong answer. You can give us a right answer. Just go crazy in that chat box. Don't forget to donate while you do that as well. And at the end of every question, don't forget, you get to poll and tell us who you thought had the best right answer or the wrong answer. All right, let's move forward and let's get in some shout outs for our donations today in case you're going to be donating. Okay, so this is how you do it. And more importantly, you can also donate to any of these causes. So please be very, very, very generous. And now, of course, let's try and see who the panel is for today. So we've got me. I love me. Thank you for that photograph. Requesting her to switch on her video at this point. Wonderful actor, director, producer, Shreya Pilgaonkar. Hi, Shreya.
Hi, Ro.
Hi. Thank you for joining us. I like the look. It's very casual. I really like it.
I have forgotten how much effort it takes. And I'm so happy that I can wear my shorts and a sweatshirt and just hoops because, I mean, why not?
Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much for joining us today. Also with us, and I know that she's already been on another stream today because that's what you guys are all doing, giving your time. The wonderful YouTuber, content creator, actor. She's with us today, Prajakta Kohli, mostly sane, and everyone in the chat just go crazy. But we'll jump straight into it, guys. Let's begin with the first question. Remember, girls, you have to give wrong answers only. Okay.
Listen, before you start, Prajakta, I want to take credit for the fact that when she said quiz, I said, no, let's not stress ourselves with a quiz. She said, but wrong answer. I said, wait, that's even more stressful.
But honestly, this is a very safe, because I am also horrible at quizzes. So when मुझे पता चला पहले quiz है, I was just like, guys, I'm just going to be quiet the whole time. Wrong answers is fun because
you can be your random self.
Nobody will know how bad we are at this.
Exactly. So come on, let's get the first question in, guys. We have a very, very tight deadline, so we're going to go straight into it. This one is the first question on your screens if you can see it. All right. So this question is, what did the wonderful Salman Khan do 4 times that Abhishek Bachchan, Hrithik Roshan, Shahid Kapoor and Sonu Sood have each done only once? Aslo pehle. Mujhe bahut acha laga ye question.
First thing that comes to my mind, can I say?
Yes, yeah.
Daydream of shooting more endangered animals?
Oh my God. Wow. I did not know you'll go straight there, but I don't know. Every lockdown is hard on everyone, Shreya. This is really like ripping out memories. So,
I mean, it's a bit dark there, but that's the first thing that just came to my mind.
well, thank you so much. And of course, Prajakta, wrong answer from you.
Oh God. No, I was wrong. I suck at this game also. I thought I had a buffer here. Hey, Jose is here, by the way.
Hey, Jose, please turn on camera, yaar.
Yeah. Maybe he can help us out.
I'm
is
waiting
that?
for I'm dying for his wrong answer.
Is that a wig? Or is that a filter? You're on mute though. It's a
Where are you, Jose?
I stole this from Rahul Subramaniam. This is his old hair.
Jose,
How's
did you
it
hear the
going,
question
guys?
or what?
No. What did Salman Khan do 4 times? And
The
Abhishek
question-
Bachchan, Hrithik
Yeah.
Roshan, Shahid Kapoor, Sonam Kapoor. How can you ask this question?
Shreya
Right,
has
wrong
gone for
answers.
the kill, pun intended.
4 times.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What are the other answers? Hi,
Oh, you
Shreya.
have to only give
Hi,
wrong
Prajakta.
answer. Hi. You have to give wrong answers.
Hi,
and
Sai.
Can't come
Hi,
up
Jose.
with anything. Hi, Sai.
So
Hi,
Shreya said killing endangered animals.
Daydreaming.
Daydreaming of killing endangered animals.
Oh, this is this kind of quiz.
No, it's not. But that was the first thing that she-
I was not. मैं ready नहीं था. Oh my God. I can't think of a single answer that
Yeah,
will
me
not
neither.
have us on the news next week.
Yeah.
All right, no worries. Let's give it up to Sai. Sai is from India, wants to know my collaborators on this wonderful quiz. They've done all of these guys. So Sai, tell me, what is the right answer, yeah?
Initially, I thought this taking off the shirt, but in the meanwhile, all of you can vote on
Cross dress.
Yeah.
Cross dress.
Cross dress. That's Jose's guess, yeah? Okay.
This is something I've done many times.
And the answer is, played Prem in
Oh.
Suraj Barjatya movies, guys. हम
What
आपके
the
हैं
hell?
कौन? प्रेम रतन धन पायो, मैंने प्यार किया, हम साथ
What?
साथ हैं.
I would have never guessed that. My mind immediately went to such controversial things.
Yeah, seriously. और तुम लोग हमें feed भी कर रहे हो ऐसे.
Wrong answer.
All right, go ahead and let's move over to the next one. Abhishek Bachchan, Hrithik Roshan, Shahid Kapoor, and Sonu Sood have played Prem in these films, okay, for Suraj Barjatya. So, just in case you missed it. Also, fun fact, because we've got a Pilgaonkar in the house, Shreya, your father played the lead role in Nadia Ke Paar, a Barjatya film that was remade, or was the OG inspiration for Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. So, in some ways, Sachin Pilgaonkar was the OG Prem, guys.
He should have been a part of this question since there are so many layers to it anyway.
I swear, it's just
Two words, two words.
Just throw everything in there.
All right, moving on.
But Sachin, such a nice guy. She's not letting her fall in the river.
All right, this is the next question. Which international singing and dancing sensation was the OG choice to do an item number in the song Darde Disco in Om Shanti Om before Farah Khan ruled it out as a rumor, and it was not Shah Rukh, obviously. Yes, Prajakta.
The guy from Gangnam Style.
Oh, that's a great wrong answer. I live for this.
his name
wrong
is
answer.
Sai.
Sai.
His name is Sai.
Oh, yeah, sorry, Sai. Yeah, I forget his name.
Shreya?
let Jose go.
No, I was saying you all made these questions so hardcore. I'm thinking of real answers. I was going to say Kylie Minogue.
She already did an item number with Akshay Kumar in Chiggy
Yeah,
Wiggy, I
इसलिए मैं
remember.
वो
She
ऐसा
did
हो गया.
Chiggy Wiggy, right? She was a part
Chiggy
of
Wiggy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chiggy Wiggy.
Chiggy Wiggy.
So, Shreya?
There's actually a right answer to this.
Yes, and it's a very good answer. So wait for that.
Now the layer is there is a right answer, but Farah Khan ruled it out as a rumor, so you
Correct,
don't know.
Correct. I'm gonna say they wanted to repeat an Akon.
Oh, so Akon. You know,
But
my wrong
Shantivam
answer.
came before Ravan.
Oh, okay. No, then I will take that
Nice.
answer back.
Nice.
I will just say Beyonce because they were thinking really big.
Nice, nice. You know, I have a wrong answer, and my wrong answer is Anupam Kher. But I see where you guys are going with this, and you guys are actually closer. Yes, yes.
How is
Prajakta.
Anupam Kher international singing and dancing sensation?
Hey, please, yeah, he's on some show, right? Okay, what about Tahir?
Singing, dancing?
Hey,
What about
Anupam Kher is
Tahir
only
Shah?
an international singing sensation. I don't know about dancing.
Hey, what about Tahir Shah? Because that was one of the
Yeah,
answers that.
That's
Yeah.
international.
Wow.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, we'll get the right answer. But before that, guys, let's move over and ask the audience whose wrong answer did you like the best? Don't forget to poll in case you forgot Darde Disco. That was a quick video. Vote for the wrong answer. And the right answer is. I love these GIFs. They're fantastic.
Yeah, what the?
Shakira?
Oh,
So
Arey.
Shakira.
Alu lelo, alu lelo. La, 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 la. That's my
I love
Shakira
that.
impersonation. I practiced it for years.
Why don't you sing
La, la, la,
that
Darde?
is
la.
fun though.
Jose, you should sing Darde Disco in the voice.
Dirty disco, dirty disco. No, sorry, I can't. That's it's not working out.
I think Shakira would also be
La,
able
la,
to.
la, 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 la. Shakira.
Love it.
Wild, wild.
Love it. But thanks, guys. Now you know. Let's move on to the next question.
Just let me
I
write
love the
that
next
down.
question. I just want to say I love the next question. So we're just going to go straight into it. Fun facts.
move quick.
Abhi ke liye hum rakh dete hain and we'll go to... Guys, this is the best question ever. Why was Pankaj Udas after he sang his most famous song, Chitti Aayi Hai?
क्योंकि वो उनके लिए चिट्ठी थी
लिखा
नहीं।
नहीं था
एक second, एक second. प्राजक्ता.
क्योंकि चिट्ठी में कुछ लिखा नहीं था. It was a prank.
Epic, epic. Shreya?
I said वो चिट्ठी उनके लिए थी ही नहीं।
Jose?
वो चिट्ठी में एडवांस टैक्स और जीएसटी का they were sending him a notice.
Yeah.
All right. We got some great wrong answers. I'm going to encourage the audience to give us a vote. Who do you think has the best wrong answer? And while you poll on your screens, let's move to the right answer. The right answer is, and hold your horses before you hear the complete answer because ye layered quiz hai na. So yes, layer 1 is the right answer, which is
What is this GIF? Yeah.
because he didn't win the Filmfare Award for it. But now this is layer number 2. That's because there were no Filmfare Awards in 1986 when he sang the damn song because of a
Oh.
film industry strike. In fact, 87 mein jab awards hue, they actually gave the awards to the guys in 85. So 86 just didn't happen. So it's like that.
Wow.
Now we
The
are.
educational will be nice. मजा आ रहा है.
Also, right before the slide, the picture that came, I thought Pankaj was live. The way that they said, is he going to answer this question?
You know, that would have been great, like the Friends reunion where Lady Gaga comes. Yeah.
Namaste, Pankaj.
Shreya.
Seriously, Prajakta, look at that. He's frozen over there.
Maybe his mic is muted.
All right, let's move on to the next question, which is my favorite question. Again, I'm just lying through this entire quiz, guys. This is for Prajakta because we try to make one question each for the panelists that
Oh.
hits home for them. So this is just for you. What is common and go wild, okay, between
Oh my
Oprah
God.
Winfrey and Hrithik Roshan? So give me your best, worst, wrong answer.
They are both subscribed to Mostly Sane.
Whoa!
Oh.
Snap. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. All right. What about Shreya? Do you have a wrong answer for us?
It's not funny, but it's true. I'll tell you what my answer is.
Say.
That I have seen both of them in person.
Oh, you met
One second.
Oprah?
Tell us the Oprah story, but tell us in 2 lines.
Last show of the Oprah Winfrey show, I was in the audience.
Oh my God.
What?
Wow.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I wrote a letter to them and they invited me as like a fan from India. I mean, I paid for my ticket, but they gave me sort of.
Wow,
Uh,
really?
Oh,
Yes,
wow.
yeah.
Oh, shit.
So
How amazing! How amazing!
If you had
Now,
only
fun
made it to
fact.
the episode where they were giving people cars and like
I
houses.
checked. Trust me, when I went there, the first thing I did was I looked under my seat and there was just like a gift box with no car keys. I was like, damn, why did
Oh,
I
this
spend
is
all
like
that?
this is like
Chalo, gift
Chitki
box.
aayi hai without.
That's true.
Fantastic. Jose, we want your wrong answer. What's common between Oprah Winfrey and Hrithik Roshan?
This is so tough, but neither of them has spoken to Kangana Ranaut lately. I
That's
just have a
true.
feeling.
That's
It's
true, though.
true
That's-
also, I
that's
think.
true. That's true.
But you have to
It's
give
an
us the
assumption.
best answer.
Yeah. Audience, can you please
Oh.
give us your best
Damn.
wrong answer in the polls and we'll give you the right answer immediately. So let the audience poll on their screens. But guys, are you ready? Are you ready? The right answer. The right answer.
Go for
The
it.
right answer.
It's just like-
All right.
Someone-
the right answer. Please. The right answer is
This answer is coming up.
Both are
Oh, is it? Wow, I didn't know that. Amazing.
both are
In our
poly.
defense, we have never seen Oprah in chappals.
Exactly. And the
And
one
when I
time
was
she
there, she
wore
was in
chappals-
heels. Yeah.
The one time
Yeah.
she wore chappals, somebody took a photo and then said, "Hey guys, fun fact: Hrithik and
Put
Oprah."
her on a Bollywood quiz.
Yes, yes. Moving on. Let's go to the next one. Oh, there's a very fun fact right after this. Did you know that joining this club, which is the Polydactyl Club, are Halle Berry and Kate Hudson?
Oh,
And-
wow.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. Things you never know. All right, let's
Really
move on.
educational look. Yeah, sorry. I'm so sorry. Go ahead.
But is
Someone
it on
did
Kate
question-
Hudson's hand or feet? Because I recently watched How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days and I didn't notice.
Maybe then it's the feet, no?
It's a feat, yeah.
Or maybe I was just looking at Matthew McConaughey. I don't know.
Maybe. That's probably what happened.
Mm.
All right, let's move on. Next question.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Guys, this is easy. Okay, so think, but don't give me the right answer. Okay, which Bollywood star appeared with a 22-foot Burmese python at their film's premiere?
Ranveer.
Ranveer Singh, absolutely, very likely. Superb wrong answer.
You have to give
Super.
wrong answers, no?
Yes.
Possible हो सकता है मेरा सही भी हो.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. I said this is close to the truth, it sounds like. Oh.
What's the wrong answer?
I see. There's only a few people who can pull that off. So I don't know. I'm going to go with Rajpal. Mr.
Yadav?
Yadav. Rajpal Yadav. Yeah. How many
Fantastic.
Rajpals?
Fantastic.
Anyway.
Just him. Just him. You know what's interesting is that Rajpal Yadav covered with a 22 feet Burmese python is just like mean to Rajpal Yadav because he may not be seen.
Arey, nahi. Pythons are. I don't have a comeback. I give up.
What was that?
Okay, someone said Bobby Deol, which is also hilarious because why not? Uske balon mein hota 22-foot Burmese python. Amazing.
I was
Radhika, we're waiting.
like, what is like a really unexpected, like things you'll never like.
I was going to say Govinda first, but then he's done some wacky stuff. And he might have even had a python with him.
Guys, I wanted to say Rekha because she could and she could pull that off.
Yeah, a lot of people on chat are saying Akshay Kumar, but then again, that is the obvious answer. Like Akshay Kumar would do something like that.
Yeah,
That's-
no galat answer don't I?
Why are we only thinking of the men?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I mean,
Because men are foolish and these are the kind of things we do. That's why we don't live as long.
So, Prajatesh, shall we wait for your answer? Shall we get to the right answer?
Oh no, let's get to the right
Let's
answer.
get to it. All right. Don't forget to vote, guys. Don't forget to vote for your favorite wrong answer. And in the meantime, let's move swiftly to the right answer. I like it how you said it could have. Why are we going to men? Because
What?
What Sushmita said.
the answer is
Of
actually
course.
a woman.
Oh,
Do you guys remember this? I
It's a
think
good movie,
everyone's
by the way.
collective memory has forgotten Mallika,
wow.
goddess Mallika Sherawat.
yeah.
Oh my god. How is her smile so wide?
Amazing. You know, there was this snake thing and the happy birthday that she sang. Anyone can, you can Google it. Both the most amazing things.
On
When
the
did this
internet.
film? When did this film release? I don't remember. I mean, how long ago was it?
2007, I think. 8. Yeah.
My God.
Yeah. Anyway, recovering from that, let's move over to the next cute GIF. And that's
Aww.
randomly Shahid Kapoor. Yeah. Guys, another fun question. I hope you'll enjoy this one. This is a full-on like, ye kyun hua? So just give reason. Why did Shah Rukh Khan and Malaika Arora dance on top of the train in Chaya Chaya? So it's a why question. Think of your best answer. The wrong
उनका नाम
answer.
waiting list पे था.
Love it. Love
Or
it.
there were too many people on RAC. I don't know.
RAC था इसीलिए ऊपर बैठना पड़ा. Fantastic. I love, you know, the माटीचा, I can smell the middle classness in this answer because we've all been through this.
We've all slept on the same berth. तू इस तरफ सर कर, मैं इस तरफ सर कर.
Fantastic. Love it. Shreya, why do you think they did this? Okay, thinking. Jose?
So it was not supposed to be happening on a moving train. I spoke to the director many years ago, and उसने कहा था कि we have budgets for the top of the train, and then they sort of exceeded their budgets and stuff, and the train had to leave. So the director was like, "तुम लोग please नाचो यार, come on, you're young, कर दो and all." And then वो मांडवली कर दिया सब लोगों ने, and they said चलो, and that's how you got this amazing hit. वो budget की वजह से.
Fantastic. I love
Don't
this
call me
answer.
for any more of these. I understand. I'll understand.
No, I will. I will call you for all of these. Fun fact, I actually, you know, you girls should know this. I joined the radio station because Jose was the programming head. And then
Oh my
once I
God.
got in, he quit. So that was my love story of radio with Jose. And then I was like, he left me there for 5 years after that. Jose,
I was
hate
just
you.
bunking for a long time. I didn't quit. I didn't want to come back to work. I'm kidding.
Someone on the chat has said something really funny. They were
Which is
upper class
what?
people. They were upper class people.
Oh my
They
God.
were- Oh, too good, too good. Shreya, do you have a wrong answer for us? Come on, yeah. Why would they do this?
I think they didn't plan to do all these risky things, but when they
Correct.
peacefully wanted to shoot down, all these people around, you know, pehle matlab phone nahi the, but they would just stand, want to come in the frame, and you know, stuff like that.
End up
And they were like, we don't want this. Let's go on top of the train. I think that's what happened.
बहुत गर्दी हो रहा है नीचे यार.
हाँ, बहुत गर्दी हो रहा है, ऊपर जाते हैं.
या फिर TC
Fantastic.
माना नहीं होगा.
हाँ,
TC माना नहीं होगा वरना.
हाँ.
So they were like, okay, fine, you're not giving us the berth, we'll just go up.
I love it. You know, while the audience votes for their favorite wrong answer, let's move quickly forward to the right answer. So guys, don't forget to poll. Don't forget to poll for your favorite. And of course, the right answer is
Shahid coming up.
guys, very
We can't
basic.
have oh my God.
मैं बोला ना कुछ director का कांड हुआ था. This I knew it. I knew it.
Director Money.
I like that
Oh.
they had permission to shoot on top of the train, but not
Not at the station.
They did not get
Amazing.
permission to shoot. So they had permissions, they fell through, and then they were like, what do we do? They're like, can anyone stop us from shooting on top of the train? And that's apparently how this happened.
That
And I
is-
love this story.
ये
So
TV
iconic.
और Bollywood वाले ना ऐसे ही.
on that note, I want to take us from TV and Bollywood wale to
sorry.
internet wale because this video I love.
Oh, ho, ho,
Hey,
ho.
that's me.
Yes, I love this.
My expressions are just
मतलब जो remixes बनाए हैं लोगों ने इस reel को देख के, it's like you could do this for days. Thank you for that. I love it. And that inspired our question, by the way. So thank you, Pratap.
so great. I genuinely think that every step
Every-
is better on Chaya Chaya. Literally every dance routine is better on Chaya Chaya.
All right, guys. Next question, and I love the GIF on the next question.
Wow.
Moving forward, it gives you a hint of what the question might be. Why? Again, a why question. Why was Deepika Padukone born in Denmark and not in India?
Oh my God.
Jose.
The only thing I can think of is कि They were in the plane and they were rushing towards India. As in not rushing, normal speed, of course, whatever the speed the plane goes at. And she was born before we could cross over to Indian territory. It was somehow still in Denmark.
Because
And
they
that's
are
how-
neighboring countries.
Yeah, this is one of those special planes.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Why was she born in Denmark?
There is an answer. There is a freaking logic to this, guys. So don't
But you
put
have
the
to
logic.
get wrong, no.
You have to give wrong. You have to give wrong. Shreya?
I feel like her parents were very smart and they knew that India में Indian citizen हो जाएगी तो visa मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होगा सब countries का. तो Denmark and all these countries, it's very easy to get visa everywhere, no?
Correct.
So
So they
very
planned
practical.
it.
It
So
was
they
a
planned
practical-
it. And
yeah.
it's like today Indians go to the US to have their babies. This way back when they actually went to Denmark to have Deepika.
Yeah.
Okay. And
My God. Guys, I'm so middle class. I just thought that they had medical insurance there. So maybe they decided for that.
all right, fantastic. I hope the audience can tell us in the chat who they thought had the best wrong answer. But let's get to the right answer. It's a fun right answer. It has something to do
didn't
with
know that.
badminton. Come on. And the answer is. So both her parents were in Copenhagen, where her father, Prakash Padukone, was undergoing an extensive badminton training session at the time, and that's what they call it, I guess. So that's why they were there, and that's when this beautiful thing happened. So that's why she was born. So there's a logic, guys. There's
This
a
was
logic.
just a geographical decision. Like because they
Yes.
were there, she was born there. Like no reason why she was specifically born.
Guys,
Yeah.
it's like lockdown babies, but the international version.
Wow.
Wow, yeah.
I was thinking the answer is key because her mom was there. But I was like, bol nahi sakte.
No, but it would have been fun. It would have been fun. All right. Are you guys ready for the next question?
Yes.
Love it. Love it. Okay, guys. This one is Dutt Saab ko hum yaad kar rahe hain. Sunil Dutt Saab holds the Bollywood record for playing the same type of character over 20 times in his movies, across
Oh
his
my
movies.
gosh.
So what type of character / what profession do you think it could be? You know, like Iftikhar, I don't know if you guys any fans of the 70s, but there's this one guy in the 70s films who was always the cop, like the head cop. Like he would just be the
Yeah.
cop all the time. So apparently, Sunil Dutt even beats his record because he's played this character over 20 times.
He's played Bhole more than 20 times? Like
No.
characters like Bhole? Or this is just for representation? Like no.
This is just for representation.
Oh.
So that people know who Sunil Dutt is. So
Hmm.
Jose,
I'm so confused right now. I played a bad guy.
I feel like I could give the wrong answer or the right answer and they'll both be wrong. So I don't know.
go
I
for
feel
it.
the same way, but they will both be right.
Go for it.
Times. What character would they have 20 times in a film? Well, I keep forgetting we're looking for the wrong answer.
Yeah.
Wow. We are horrible at
I can't think of a wrong answer.
so bad at
I know
it.
it.
Rohini, this one, why don't you
Yeah.
No,
Andi ji.
why don't you give me a guess? And if it's the right answer, it's completely fine. Just take a guess.
Like Gardner?
that
I don't know.
that's a
That's
good,
how-
good fun
That's
answer.
how would
Who
be
then
a
becomes the
Bali.
hero later and all.
I think the loser who becomes the hero.
हाँ, the
Yeah.
जो मतलब
The weakling
हाँ,
who then
underdog sort
yeah,
of.
underdog. Yeah. Yeah. I
Okay,
think
that's
the
great. We have
right.
a joint answer here, but let's move on. The TikTok dancer is a great one.
Someone in chat is saying TikTok dance.
Love it. Don't forget to vote for your best wrong answers with the wonderful panel that is here who are giving us their
Is that
wonderful time
safe?
today. And of course, the answer is
Oh.
Are Daku.
he played a
20
Daku,
times?
guys. And he played a
20
Daku
times.
20 times. Like, I don't even know if he shot those movies one after the other or at the same time, simultaneously, because he's done this 20 times. Just fun facts in case you didn't know. Let's move on to the fun
Amazing.
fact, actually, on to the next one. This guy, however, no, let's go back to that fun fact.
Sorry.
Aside,
Please.
Jagdish Raj, however, may not be as big a star as Sunil Dutt, but does feature in
veteran.
records for having played a policeman in 144 films.
That's
So
amazing, actually.
unbelievable.
Wow.
So I hope that we learn something new.
And
Moving
people
on.
those days are like, the police is so good. Her picture made that same cop is coming. Wow, amazing. Too good.
And हर picture में late आ रहा है. That's
Yeah.
what it was.
ए सर आप फिर से हो गया आप अगली पिक्चर में आ जाना.
All right, guys, the next one deserves a second look at the poster. So I hope that you're watching your screens. Our next question is, which actor plays the former ISRO scientist Nambi Narayanan in an upcoming biopic? So this photograph, if you look closely, is actually Nambi Narayanan, sir. And next to him is the actor who's attempting to play him. So you could
What?
look at the circle.
Who? The
It's
circled,
obvious who
the
that
circled
actor
one
is.
is the actor.
Yes.
Can I please get the right answer? I'm dying to
That's
know.
not the same picture.
What? I thought it's the same person.
I thought like two different pictures like of the same thing put next to each other. Wow.
Oh my god, who is this?
Wrong
That's
answer
the right
zone.
answer.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh my god. The song from Kabhi Khushi Mein.
Oh my God. Yeah, of course.
Sorry. We have to give wrong answers.
Yeah.
If to give wrong answers, then I'll say I don't know what to say. What if it's right?
Arey, say it, yeah. Just guess it, yeah. I love Prajakta's close up at this
Sorry.
point.
I'm
It's
not
fantastic.
wearing my contacts, so
I know
love
some
it.
people are thinking Modi ji, but I think it's Manoj Bajpayee.
Best wrong answer so far. Love it.
Silence.
I don't know an actor, but he looks so much like my teacher from school who used to teach me Marathi.
Oh my God. Okay.
That's damn good.
Crazy, yeah.
A lot of people in chat saying Modi ji.
Yeah.
Yes, I get some votes.
I see
How
it
ironic.
now. I see it now.
You know who it is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shreya does. All right, moving forward.
Yeah, let's
Go ahead, Shreya.
Let's remind you to tell us who your favorite wrong answer was, but let's move on to the right answer. And Shreya, why don't you tell us the right answer?
R. Madhavan.
Our Madhavan is right. And let's move to the fun fact.
Oh, well done. Oh, what
Yeah,
a transformation. Amazing.
I wouldn't have guessed. I would not have guessed. This is crazy.
Yeah.
Amazing.
That's a really good look.
Yeah, it's amazing.
And moving on, guys, Rocketry is the name of the film, and it's also the directorial debut of Madhavan, which is fantastic.
Oh,
Wow.
amazing.
Guys, any guesses who the next question could be about? Now we saw it on the screen, so
Wow.
I'm very excited.
Pata nahi.
All right. The question is, I love the sark or the snark in the question because we have obviously asked some really, really fun people to write these questions, but just look at the number of like jabs in this question. Like while Kangana Ranaut compares herself to Meryl Streep, like while she does that, what has she done only 4 times in her career? While Meryl has done it a whopping 11 times.
Oh.
I remember seeing this tweet, yaar.
I don't know I don't know how to give an answer for Kangana and not be mean to Meryl because I love Meryl Streep and I cannot say anything about her.
You know, don't worry about it because Meryl's not watching this.
You don't know.
or may not watch it later, but Kangana might. So, like, pick your battle. Would you rather piss off Meryl Streep or would you rather piss off Kangana Ranaut?
Oh man, honestly, I wouldn't want to piss off anyone.
Meryl
That's
Streep
awesome.
then.
Yeah, Meryl Streep. What has
What is it?
Kangana done 4 times and Meryl
Oh my
has done
God.
11 times?
Something about X-ray vision. I can't remember. She said I have X-ray vision or something. I don't know. What did she say?
Guys, a great wrong answer has come into the panel, which is acting.
Oh.
However, Meryl's done it way more than 11 times, but for the sake of this question, I like the answer.
Yeah. She's like, check here. You all don't remember that iconic scene? Basket.
Who are you talking of? Are you talking of Meryl?
Not
Kangana?
Meryl Streep. Fashion. The Oscar.
Fashion.
Fashion, guys, fashion.
But what word did you just say? I didn't understand. You said basket.
Basket. She said called someone a basket or busted.
Oh
I
God.
can't
Okay,
remember.
okay.
Busted.
Busted. I remember that.
The wild film.
I think my favorite scene from fashion is
Oh yeah. She's like, bye.
I think that was
The memes on that have been crazy.
Epic, yeah.
it's hilarious.
And Priyanka Chopra having a moment after the morning after. I
Times.
remember that. Oh my
And only
God.
4 times.
Just wrong.
I
Hey,
have
Yes,
Prajakta
yes.
Googling.
wow. This is
Guys, we have 5 minutes to go, so let's make it count. Come on.
I
Are
have
we allowed to Google?
No?
You know, honestly, the way these questions are framed, I thought of Google. I don't think Google will also know the answers the way they're
Hey,
framed.
salam,
fair.
salam. Salam from me and India.
I got
wants
it.
to know.
Skydiving. I'm gonna go with skydiving. I'm pretty sure it's the right or wrong answer.
Wrong answer. Prajakta, any guesses?
I am going to say pottery.
Okay. So Meryl Streep's done pottery 11 times in her career. She's made 11 pots. Let's be specific. Fantastic. Shreya?
wow. Like said like no to scripts. I don't know, like
Nice.
protected.
Nice. Good. Very good guesses, guys.
Yeah.
Don't forget to vote for your favorite guests, your wrong answers. And let's move
People
on.
on the
because
chat are really giving good answers, FYI.
They
They're
really
giving
are.
the right answers. They're cheating.
Giving the right answer.
Oh shit, yeah, that
What
might
is
be
giving
the
the
right
right-
answer. What we just read might just be the right answer.
All right, let's move forward and let's go to the right answer. And the right answer is
Oh.
Acted in
wow.
biopics.
acted in biopics, guys.
Oh.
So she's played Parveen Babi, she's played Fearless Nadia and Rangoon, she's played Rani of Jhansi, and she's played Jayalalitha. And for some reason, I think she's going to play herself very soon.
Yeah.
But while that happens, let's move forward.
Hey, Shiny Ahuja, I miss him. Oh my god, did I say it loudly?
All right, guys, last question because that's all the time we have, folks. But for the last question, this is a big boss question. Who was the first host?
Arshad Warsi? Oh, sorry, wrong answer. Arshad Warsi is the right answer. Sorry.
We'll move on to the next question. एकदम next में question पे जाते हैं
Sorry.
सारे मेरे दोस्त मेरे यार.
Oh, that
कोई
was
बात
the,
Yay!
Oh, great job, Prajakta.
Oh, well
How did
done,
you know
brothers.
that?
We
What
had
the hell?
bets.
I
We
don't
had
know.
bets who would do this, and actually the bet was Shreya. But Prajakta, you did this, so that's
I had no
fantastic.
idea about this one.
So Arshad
I didn't
Warsi
know
was there,
this.
then Amitabh Bachchan was there, and
Really?
then Salman Khan came.
मैं कौन सा शो देख रहा था?
And I have never watched a single episode of Big Boss. I just have this information for some reason.
That's
Shit,
mad.
Wild.
You know, I'll give you a fun fact, guys. Arshad Varsi, I did the same thing to Arshad Varsi here because I'm Salman Khan because he was supposed to host this quiz and then they asked me. So I just want to say,
Oh.
I
just
see.
want to say. Yeah, come on, let's move on. Next, last question. We're actually making time. Okay. Which famous actor's original name, okay, is Shri, Amma, Yangar, Ayyappan.
Did Rekha?
Real one.
Which actor's original name is on the screen? Is this name? Wrong answers only. Please don't give me the right answer.
I'm going to say Rekha. She might just be Shri Amma younger Ayyappan.
Fantastic. Rekha
Wrong
is a
answer.
good guess. It's a good wrong answer.
Yeah.
So when it comes to wrong answers, it's the rightest wrong answer. So well done.
Ha.
All right. Jose?
I want to say Hrithik Roshan, but I already used that in another question. So I like. Can I come back? Can I come back?
Yes, sure. Shreya?
Honey Singh.
Yeah.
Shreya?
I'm going to say Ananya Pandey.
Oh dear.
Oh, what a great wrong answer. I love
Solid,
it.
solid.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I can just imagine her living with this in school. In her
Fantastic.
school.
Great. Jose, we wait
Then
for your
I'm
wrong
gonna go
answer.
with Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt is a great wrong answer. Don't forget to poll for what your favorite wrong answer is. But I think we should give you guys the right answer. I think you guys already know the right answer, and the right answer is the wonderful,
Oh, I didn't
my
know that.
forever
I did not know
favorite,
that.
Sri Devi, who I absolutely love. So, guys, I think that's all the time we have. But I just want to quickly say a bunch of thank yous. I want to say thank you to my panelists who agreed to give us their time. Thank you so much, guys. I want to
You're
thank the
welcome.
India Wants to Know team for collaborating on some amazing questions and making us laugh through the week with these questions. I also want to thank the audience who are here today and for donating. And if you haven't yet made a donation, even if it's 100 rupees, please do so. This is me, Rohini, signing out. And before you go, I'd love to know from my panel if you guys had fun.
Thank you, Rohini, by the way.
क्या कैसा बात करते हैं यार इतना education.
No,
So
this
many
was
fun
a lot of
facts.
fun.
And now let me give you, thank you for being nice, because now we're going to announce the actual winner. And the audience has voted. And the person with the best wrong answers consistently. So y'all didn't know y'all were competing with each other.
Hrithik Roshan. Who won? कौन जीता?
Yeah, because he gave himself an extra vote with that extra finger. No, this was Prajakta's evening. So congratulations, mostly said.
What? Thanks, guys. Thanks. I like.
She's hacking the system using bots and all.
No.
All these dumb armies like going crazy polling. I just want to say.
I'm glad my incompetence came to use somewhere. I'm very glad. But no, this was a lot of fun. Thank you so much to everybody who joined, who took the time out to sort of listen to us sit and do bakwas here for so long. But and thank you for donating. It means a lot. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Shreya. And thanks, Sai. And thanks, India Wants to Know. And thanks, Medium Insider. This is when we
Thanks,
switch our
Rohini.
cameras off. Bye, Jose. Bye.
Bye
Neil.
bye. Take care,
Bye,
guys. Don't
guys.
forget to
Thank you.
donate.
Bye. Hi.
Abesh!
Hey, projector. How do you do? It was your
Good.
evening. Congratulations.
Good only.
I
You
wanted to
continue
say hi to
calling
everybody.
afterwards.
I will.
Bye.
I wanted to say hi to everyone, but I guess everyone left. So, Projector,
That's
thank
fine.
you for staying.
All you
back.
get is me.
Yeah. I'll see you soon.
Abesh.
Bye. Oh, yes, Jose's back. Oh, yes, Jose, you're back. Yes, that's what I wanted.
How are you, man?
I'll see you.
Cheers,
All right,
cheers.
everybody.
Best of luck.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.